Okay guys, this is part 2 of your White Cliff Dover. This one guys, I'm giving you the good view, shall we say. So again, this is going towards the White Cliff. This is going towards your lighthouse. Yan guys, so as you see, part of your White Cliff is there, portion of it at least, and then we have your Dover Castle. Yan, di ba guys? Very beautiful. So ito yun guys, I think this is what we missed a while ago. Would have been a continuous video, but anyhow it stopped, which I did not notice anyway. So this is your port guys. This is the port that leads all the way, goes all the way to France, Calais. Yeah, dito yung main one. This is the where the White Cliffs are. Tignan nyo naman guys, let me see. This is where the entrance is. Yan guys. This is your road map guys for White Cliff, and we just take our turn. Okay, so as we wait guys for our turn, might as well just show you the perspective where we are, and that is the Gamboa Pinoy Tours there. Very cuddly, White Cliffs of Dover. This is where we are here, so you just have to hike all the way, and you can actually from here you can already see the White Cliffs of Dover. The lighthouse might just be a bit I mean very far, not just a bit, but it's very far from here. It's a proper hike. So there guys, if you notice, this is something to look forward to guys, and Gamboa Pinoy Tours will be there to assist. So there you are. Okay guys, so until then,